Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Viewers, welcome back. Today we are going to look at trigonometric equations, and we'll start by solving and the first example we are going to look at is solve the trigonometric equations for x between 0 degrees to 360 degrees. And the first example will be 2 cos 2 x plus 30 degrees equals to 1. So how are we going to solve this kind of trigonometric equation? First, we have to remove the coefficient of cos. And how do you do that? By dividing 2 both sides of the equation. So 2 cancel with 2. Therefore, cos 2 times x will be 2x. 2 times 30 will be 60. Should be equals to 0.5. Therefore, 2x plus 60 degrees will be equals to cos inverse of 0.5. Cos inverse of 0.5. So therefore 2x plus 60 will be equals to cos inverse of 0.5 will be 60 degrees. Okay, now if we look at the unit circle, remember acts, and the cosine is positive only in the first quadrant and the fourth quadrant, and the angle in the first quadrant is 60. The angle in the fourth quadrant will be x is 60. So 360 minus 60, we are going to have 300. Therefore 2x plus 60 will be equal to 60. Take 60 on the other side. 2x will be equal to 60 minus 60. 2x will be equal to 0. That means x will be equal to what? Will be equal to 0 degrees. Or 2x plus 60 will be equal to 300. Take 60 on the other side. So we have 2x will be equal to 300 minus 60. So 2x will be equals to 240 divided by 2 divided by 2. Therefore x will be equals to 120. So the complete solution for the equation now will be x will be equals to 0 degrees and 120 degrees. So that is how you are going to solve quadratic equations. If we look at example 2, for example 2, we have 2 sine x minus 30 degrees equals to tan 45 degrees. So first you have to find the value of tan 45. Then we come and say 2 sine x minus 30 degrees will be equal to tan 45 is 1. So again, you remove the coefficient of sine by dividing 2 throughout the equation. Therefore, sine x minus 30 degrees will be equal to 0.5. Therefore, x minus 30 degrees will be equal to sine inverse of 0.5. X minus 30 degrees will be equal to sine inverse of 0.5 will be 30 degrees. Now again, using the unit circle, remember acts, and the sine is positive. As you can see here, we have positive, it is not negative. So sine is positive only in the first quadrant and the second quadrant. The angle in the first quadrant is 30 degrees, and the angle in the second quadrant will be 180 minus theta, whereby theta is 30. So 180 minus 30, we are going to have 150 degrees. Therefore, x minus 30 should be equal to 30 degrees. Take 30 on the other side. So x will be equal to 30 degrees plus 30 degrees. And x equals to 60 degrees. Or x minus 30 equals to 150 degrees. So let's take 30 on the other side. X will be equals to 150. Here we have minus. When we take it on the other side, it will be positive, plus 30 degrees. So x will be equals to 150 plus 30. That will be 180 degrees. So the complete solution for this quadratic equation will be x equals to 60 degrees and 180 degrees. And 180 degrees. So that is how you solve quadratic equations. Thank you very much. Welcome.